Somebody sent me a PlayStation 4 Pro motherboard, and look at this damage. There is damage on the power connector. There is damage on the HDMI port. This thing needs a lot of work. Let's start working on it. Yeah, so it doesn't power on. It doesn't do anything right now because the power connector is ripped, and we need an HDMI port. Let's put the HDMI port on. Just look at that. The damage is ludicrous on this HDMI port. So let's start by cleaning this up. Okay, believe it or not, this is cleaned. Now we need to see if a port can stay on here. I got the legs on, very weird looking because they're broken here. Now we have to trace that one pin right there and the other. Alright, so I ran the two traces here, this one and that little mini one. Now before we can test, we need to also install the power connector here. So let's do that. Alright, so we scratched and we cleaned and we barely tinned it here. Ready for the install. Alright, we got that installed here and I love to absolutely put a lot of solder on these. Let's go test this disaster. Alright, I put it together here and up just to test. Oh, it does power on, nice. And the tester says it's okay. Video 480p, it's a little hairy. Something is off. I did notice damage by the chips here, so I'm gonna have to take a look into another donor board and compare the chips and probably fix something here. Let's go do that. I cleaned up here and I saw some tech error, so let's fix this right here. Right, I did a manual touch-up on those. Let's go test. Alright, take two, let's try. It powers on still. The tester here is a little wonky. I don't like the vibrations right there. Okay, I played around with some of the chips over here. The flickering stopped and it did say video 480, so let's wait. Yup, we got it. Nice.